Tonight I'm staying near one of the largest shopping malls here in Cebu. It's called SM City. I figured this is the perfect time to try out what I would consider the national icon of the Philippines, which is the fast food chain Jollibee. I've been told by a lot of my Filipino friends that this is even better than KFC. And I was like, I'm gonna have to see for myself because KFC is pretty good. So to be better than KFC, it's a pretty high bar to set. Finally found the Jollibee. It's on level 3. You can see that's their mascot. Did they just call it the Jollibee? It looks kind of creepy. That smile is very unsettling. Very colorful menu. Let's see what they got. They got burgers on the left. I don't think burgers is their main selling point. They got hot dogs. I've heard people talk about hot dogs, so I might get a hot dog. Spaghetti. It's always kind of weird to me how they eat spaghetti in a fast food restaurant with fried chicken. Oh, tuna pie. That is interesting. Tuna pie. And you got the Chickenjoy, which is their version of the original recipe fried chicken. That's the one that's supposed to be better than KFC, so I'll definitely be trying out that. Here they got the dessert menu. Now I've been specifically recommended by my Filipino friend to try out the peach mango pie. It sounds really good. She says it's better than the apple pie, so definitely have to try that out. Look at that, they even accept bookings for business meetings. Imagine having a business meeting at a fast food restaurant with fried chicken. Actually, I would like that. I wish my office had that. Hello. Can I get the jolly with spaghetti? Can I get the drumstick?
Spicy?
Yeah, make it spicy. Can I also get a hot dog and also a cheeseburger meal? So at this point, I'm pretty convinced I ordered almost everything on their menu. There's a lot of food here, so let's go through. We got fried chicken, the slightly spicy one. They got their famous spaghetti. Again, kind of weird to be eating spaghetti with fried chicken. I got a cheeseburger here. Got my peach and mango pie that my Filipino friend recommended. This is their hot dog, and this is their tuna pie, which I'm also really curious about. So it's time to dig in. There's a lot of food here to get through. Okay, I don't even know what I should be starting with, but because it gets compared to KFC a lot, I guess I should begin with the fried chicken. I asked for a drumstick. The spicy coating is not really evenly applied. You can see there's a lot of it here, but not much in the back. So I'm gonna go for the parts where there is some spice. The chicken's not bad. The spicy coating is really good. If they just apply them more consistently across the whole chicken, that would be really good. I can feel my lips burning. The chicken's quite tender, but apart from the spicy coating, like if you got the original one without the spiciness, I think the flavor on the skin is a little bit lacking. They're quite the same as the 11 secret herbs and spices. So next up, we're gonna try their spaghetti. I'm just gonna eat it as if it's Asian noodles. This is just how I eat spaghetti. The sauce is a little bit sweet. It's not quite spaghetti bolognese. It's a little bit sweet flavored. I actually quite like it. It's got cheese, a little bit spicy I think. On its own, I think spaghetti is quite good. I'm still not convinced it goes with fried chicken. Let's continue onward. So this is the cheeseburger. You can see there's a layer of cheese and a beef patty in there. The cheese is very cheesy. The buns are quite nice as well. But I think the letdown here is the beef patty. The beef is a little bit flavorless. It doesn't have the same meaty flavor that the cheeseburger from McDonald's has. Some sauce will make it better. Next up is the hot dog. So you got sausage, obviously, or hot dog. You got cheese, and you got mustard and tomato sauce. Again, all the condiments are quite good. I quite like it. But the hot dog itself is not that great. It's mushy, it's a bit mushy. You know what, let me try another bite, just to be sure. So this is what I actually been most curious about. Spicy tuna pie. I wonder whose idea was to put a tuna inside, like an apple pie. It's strange, but it's good. You guys have had apple pies before, the crispiness on the outside. Inside it's like a mushy, tastes a bit like canned tuna. They marinated with some spicy sauce. It's actually not bad. It's quite tasty. It's just a strange blend of flavors. I'm pleasantly surprised. The last thing I ordered is technically a dessert item. My friend said it was a lot better than apple pie, so I was like, oh, it's really tiny. It's a peach and mango pie. This is probably half the size of an apple pie. It's super sweet and hot. Even sweeter than apple pie because you've got both peach and mango in here. Yeah, it's good. I wouldn't necessarily say it's better than apple pie. I just feel like apple goes better on like hot crispy stuff. Definitely on par with the apple pies from McDonald's. Final verdict, what did I think of Jollibee? I feel like it's a mixture of everything. You know, you got fried chicken, you got burgers, you got hot dogs, you got tuna pies, you got spaghetti. Obviously, you know, it's a Filipino fast food chain, so it's catered towards Filipino taste. I liked it. I'm not quite sure it's better than KFC, but you know, obviously I'm biased and I can totally understand if Filipinos grew up eating Jollibee, you know, it's their nation's pride and joy. I can definitely see why they say this is better than KFC. It's good, but it's not better than KFC, which is not a bad thing. KFC sets a really high bar. Okay, so it's the next day and I'm about to get on a 4-hour bus ride, so I figured I need a pretty big breakfast to keep me filled up for the trip. So I decided to come back to Jollibee again because there's one right next to the bus station. So let's see what Jollibee does for breakfast. So they got a regular menu. Where's the breakfast? Oh, there's the breakfast menu. Oh, they got some rice dishes. So this one is called beef Tapa. And I've seen it on menus in restaurants before, but I've never actually tried it, so I'm not sure what it is. But it does just look like marinated stir-fried beef. And I got some garlic rice and also fried egg. And I think this is pineapple juice. So let's try it out. I'm gonna start with a bit of beef next to the rice. It's like a soy sauce based marinade. It's pretty good. It's kind of heavy. I can't believe Filipinos eat this for breakfast. But I will have to say, Filipino food stroke of genius is garlic rice. Because if you had regular rice all the time like me, garlic rice just tastes amazing. It's something different, you know?